October, safely celebrate all month long at the new Chuck E. Cheese's Halloween Boo-tacular. Kids get a free treat bag. Plus, don't miss DJ Munch's blow parties and our boo-tastic new show. Only at Chuck E. Cheese.
Donuts?
You're cute.
Introducing new Special K protein cereal with 10 grams of protein. As part of your breakfast, it's a satisfying way to stay a step ahead of hunger and your secret to willpower. There's so much to gain with Special K.
You lived here once. It was the happiest you'd ever been. It was rhyme time all the time, and you were feeling fine. Then you moved on. You had to, but you can always come back. This time with someone smaller. Guess we're going flying. Because here, we can all be kids. And if you don't remember how, don't worry. Everything's exactly how you left it.
Surprise! What?
This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations in your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, such as a severe thunderstorm warning, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Plain sight.
And the voices of the people I love. On your favorite LG Velvet.
Sweet headgear. Nice goggles. Yeah, get a drink in there.
Hey, Daddy, watch this.
Where did he go?
Danimals, adventurous by nature.
You worked hard to buy your home. Now let your home work for you. With a home equity line of credit from TrueMark Financial, projects big and small are possible. Take on that kitchen renovation, update a bathroom, create an outdoor oasis, book a dream vacation, even consolidate your debt. Whatever the plan, TrueMark Financial can help make it happen. Apply for a TrueMark Financial home equity line of credit today. TrueMark Financial. Member banking is better banking.
Rated E for everyone.
New Kinder Bueno. Wait for it. It's crispy. It's creamy. Shh, don't ruin this for her. Smooth milk chocolate, crispy wafer, and creamy hazelnut filling. It's not your average chocolate bar. It's new Kinder Bueno.
Princess guests are people who know a greater connection lies when you're actually in the moment together. Watching the look in their eyes as they explore stars they've never seen, or discovering something new with someone you've known forever. Because this beautiful world is better experienced together. Unpack once and visit many destinations. Book now during our best sale ever. Call your travel advisor or visit princess.com.
It's the season to add a little warmth to life out here. And though the past year has been an unexpected one, all 38,000 of us are ready to help you make the most of this fall. With everything you need at everyday low prices. So you can take care of the ones who count on you. Prepare for those shorter days and cooler nights. And sit back and warm up to more family time. Prepare together. Enjoy together. Stronger together. Tractor Supply.
Spend 2 nights in Ottawa and get $100 spending money on us. Dinner and drinks? It's on us. Or outdoor fun? It's on us. So relax. It's on us. Spend 2 nights and get $100.
Our roll burger was only 7 ounces, but now it's 8 with brioche bun and pickles. Comes with its own steak knife, it's really that big. Your best competition is always yourself. Chili's is back, baby, back, baby, back. Oh, baby, Chili's is back, baby, back, baby, back.
Billy.